So you might have just picked up an iPhone 16 or an iPhone 16 Pro, and you're wondering, how the heck do I silence these things? The silence switch is gone. And if you take a look at something older like an iPhone 14 Pro or a 13 Pro, all we had to do was just go like that and it would silence it and we'll be on our way. But with these newer phones, they have these programmable action buttons on the left, and you might click that and the flashlight might be on. So here's the first thing you want to notice, because I find myself when going back to the older phones and the newer phone that I have an issue with this. All you got to remember is that the silent switch is always going to be located. The silent mode is always located in the control center. Now this button is actually not located in some of the older iPhones that do have a silent switch, because it wasn't really necessary, but it's always there. Remember that. If you always remember that, you won't have no issues with this. Also, the second way to do this is obviously to go into your settings, locate under accessibility, click action button and swipe all the way over to the left, and you'll see silent mode right there. Now, when you go ahead and click that button, you'll now be able to silent or turn back on the ring. So that's it for today's tutorial. I just wanted to showcase to you that. It'll also apply to the iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max if you have one of those models as well. But just as long as you remember that, and you remember the action button is programmable to silent mode, you'll always be able to silence this phone. In addition, keep in mind, you might have set up a focus mode, and in focus modes, you can go ahead and set them to be silenced. So be careful with that. You might be like, I already knew that, but it was still silent. It could be silent because of one of your focus modes. So keep that in mind. So if you found this quick tutorial helpful, entertaining, informing, enjoying, click the like button for me, and I hope it helped out. I'll catch you on the next episode. Nick here. Peace.